Hello, hello. Hello, vibing. How are you doing? So, today I start there where I stopped yesterday. I have to create... I'm doing awesome vibes, and you? I'm also doing well, thanks for asking. Collection and breeding I have to do now. And we will do collection first. This seems to be very easy, because we just have to check I have to minimize this function here. This also, we just need add. And whenever we add an item, we need to call this function. Actually, always on this part. Here, 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 and here. So we have to go to the achievement data. This we don't need right now. This we don't need right now. This also. Collection achievement. So we copy this one. We create a global data. This function will add collections to the achievements. Add collection to achievements. We need this one. We'll call this one here, but like this here. Just until here. Okay, this way. And here, this one we have to call at this point. Here. For child in menu get children. Add collection to achievements. Global data dot this one, and here we need two flags now. So we need to send this too. So we have to say child dot. Do you know where can I find a Discord server for me to find a team, or where can I find one? It's because I have a cool game idea, but yeah. I think here this one. I mean, if you do a game in Godot, then here. Godot engine. Maybe networking, you could find some people. But you also, somewhere here was team tool. Yeah, maybe here networking in this one. This is the official Godot engine group. Hello 2XP. Welcome, welcome. But otherwise, if you work with another engine, I'm not sure. As I only work with Godot at the moment. Child dot. So first, did we send the dictionary first? Yes, so I did it exactly wrong. Copy. Paste. This way. And this we have to copy here. 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 Yeah. Wait. This is basics. And here I just sent dictionaries. This is wrong. I need to got this one also. Send it at the second one. If not, child has. The first dictionary and then this one, but this has to be special. This one. This one. And if special is true, then we have to do this. Or this here. And if it falls, we have to do this. But with basics. Okay. This way it should work. Save. And to check this one, we will print it. Um, we want to print it in the global data and achievement function here. Print and status, but we will also check for if achievement type equals collection. This way. Start, let's check. Let's see. So we have 1 of 11. Did this print something? Yes, it did. That's good. So now we should check. Why it set it to green instantly? I have to check this one. And we go wait. Project. Window, close, start. So let's see. It's 111, 111. Problem. This doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense. I have to check what I set for rules that achievement will be green colored. Only when achievement goal is true, it will color it to green. This is fruits now. I have to go to the other, to this one. Huh? Why there's no fruit? That's fruitiful. Oh, this is not pick up. This is this, and this is collection. I think there was a mistake. That is so good that I can find it that fast. Find one of each basic fruit possible, find one of each special fruit possible. Actually, I could do something. So we have like a variable collection size. That means when in future I expand the collections, then it will also update the achievement. So here I will say achievement count goal equals collection dictionary dot size. But I think the problem is right now it's set it to 0. But that's not too bad. I still can add because right now it wouldn't be visible, the bar, the progress bar. So I could say this one and not upgrading, and say is or in this one. And now it should also show it, the progress. Let's see. now let's check the collection. This it's not working as it should. Now I want to know upgrade. Here it's working somehow. I mean, this is working, but it doesn't set the value. And this I actually also already have to I have to add it here somewhere. This one. Here I have to say achievement goal. Dot achievement type equals collection. Then I have to say this one dot achievement count goal. Achievement count goal equals I'll create another function in global data. this function will check the amount of items within a collection of the collection book. This I will call func collection amount check. Here is necessary that we check the item type as string, and then we need to go world dot get node UI collection menu here it's actually the tree collection menu. I'll make it a bit easier. Wait. Why? This one. Dot get children or button in for button in this one we will say if button dot collection title equals item type, then we will say return we need the full length, so we go for we also need we'll go for the complete item, so we say item data slot data as no, I can't do this. Slot data as slot data. Then we say slot data dot item type, and then I will say if slot data dot item special equals true, then we will return with the special button dot special collected special basic. We need this one. Dot size else we'll return the basic collection array size. So this will always check the size of of the current collection. Copy, and then we say this one. And the slot data we will send over here is achievement dictionary dot get this one dot achievement item goal. Not found in this one. So save, and hopefully it will work now. So let's see. Valid operand string and array. Oh. In. So let's check. Load, delete this one, new game, start. Right, get index, collection, title on base button. Ah. This problem I had before once. Before this, I have to check for if button is save, stop, start. So let's see. Back, be right back. Right back. There's just another error appears, which is because I collected items. Wait, that shouldn't be possible. Title achievement? Special Pearly. Ah, there's a problem. Yeah, I understand. Or title equals and slot data dot item type equals clam pearl. Okay. Else no luck so far. Yeah, that could be that this is not so active there. Wait, there was another group within here. Where I oversaw people the project help. Hello, me and my friend. Here. Did you send it here? Project help, maybe ask here. Like here the people, I'm a game designer major and the program want me to make a game for class. So here are people connecting also. The last posts were from 11 days, from 11 hours ago. Maybe you could be lucky here. I sent in lobby because I don't know where are all of those channels. Did you accept the rules? Somewhere you have to accept the rules. And after you accept the rules, you will get all these channels. Then you should go to the project help. There are people. Thank you for following on YouTube. Thank you very much. But I'm not 100% sure how to. Oh, now it's done. Yeah, and then you should go to the right channels and posting there. Because when you post in the wrong channels, they'll delete your post probably. Delete this one. Start. Let's see. Yes, it's working. Here, as you can see, it's 11, but I already get one. There's something not true here. So I already get one, and also the special one is the same size, even it should be 0 at the moment. And why I got this already green? Lost seeds. Lost seeds. There's a pickup one. And pickup. I check. Directly. This collection. Wait, I'm confused now. This is the achievement one. Achievement book. The collection book. Equals pickup. Okay, and now lost seeds is apple slot resource. There's a problem. Has to be apple seeds. So save. Okay, this makes sense. This is finished, this bug. But for some reason, the special one still set to 11. Global data. So we'll check this here. If clam, then pearl, then special. If special is true, and if it's not true, then the basic collection array. print slot data dot item name and print let's see what we'll get when we open up the achievement book. Start. Why Apple 11, Apple 11? Amber 33, Amber 33. And I'm wondering why it's doing this. Not for all the other collections I have. Like fish, for example. Special fishy 7. Fishy collection 7. But I have 10 and 7. Here it's 5 and 10. 5 and 10. Here it's working somehow. Here it's 7, 4 for materials. Four and 4. Apple is not special. And it's not even checking for a material here. Ah, I understand now. I understand it now. Why sometimes it's working and sometimes not. And especially here and here. Because I don't have special ones and I set just some randoms to the collection special. So what I have to do now is, for example, here I say grapes is special. resource. Items. So which available level for the pistachio? So we say this one is special on. And for the gems, all of them, we have to set also some to special. So let's just pick some randoms for now. So I would say this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 8, and we say special. So then we do that for fruits and this one. And I think then we should have special items everywhere. Then we go back to the other resource table, to achievements. And we check the collection one. Here, this is special. And here we will say Ametrine. And also for find one special fruit, pistachio. Now I will also check the items. Which one is a special fish? Anglerfish, for example. So we'll go with this one. Special. So we have everywhere. Wait. Hello Vertex. How are you doing? Basic fish. Item type. So we'll take this one. This is Thunder. Okay, this one open. Thunder. Thunder slot resource, save. So let's check by collection. We have always different. Yes, but Daisy is not. So we go with Sunflower here. Oh, this was wrong. Sunflower has to be here. And here it should be Daisy. Okay, but it seems to be alright. I'm curious, why did you prefer Godot instead other? Open source, to make it short. I mean, the thing is, when I wanted to start game developing, I wanted doing games with Unity, as there at this moment where I want to start, I just only know Unity and Unreal Engine. But the thing at this point was, I was understanding that Unreal Engine is made for 3D games, but as I want to do a 2D game, I wanted to use Unity. And when I start to read things about Unity, in the moment when I start that when you release a game with Unity, they'll charge you per download of your game. That was the point where I was like, okay, I don't want to pay per download for my game to Unity, as it could cost you. Thank you for the follows in YouTube. 3 at a time. Thank you very much. In this moment there was like the drama with Unity where you have to pay per download. That means when one player buy your game, for example, for $3 one time, and they download on the Steam Deck, they download it for their computer, and maybe also download it for their laptop. So they download it 3 times, and you have to pay to Unity for every single download 20 cents. That doesn't sound much, but if I know there are a lot of people like me out there which uninstall games when they don't play it for a long time, and when they want to play it again, they just install it again. That means on lifetime, when someone owns the game in Steam, and every time they download your game, you will lose 20 cents. And you just earn the €3 or $3. And in this point, I was searching for an alternate. Thank you for following Twitch. Thank you very much. Welcome, welcome. And the first word pop-ups when I was searching for alternate to Unity was Godot. So I just download it. I mean, I just check it first and then I read something like it's open source, it's free to use, and you can publish your games for free also without license limitations. There I was like, okay, then I choose Godot, and then I start to create my first game with Godot, and then 6 months later I'm here. That is the reason why I use Godot and not Unity or another game engine. And in this 6 months I figured out that everything what I want to do in game developing I can do in Godot, and I feel not there's anything what I would missing to create a game. So this is enough for me to use. And also plus point was that I never coding before, and GDScript is very, very easy to learn. That's why I was staying with Godot. Let's keep going. Where did I stop? I just I stopped with the achievements, with the collections, the sizes. If the achievements are true now, and if that is true, then we just have one achievement type to go to create. So here this is 1 out of 10, and this one is 1 out of 0 out of 1. So special Gimtastic 8. Gimtastic 8 should be 25. Gems. Is Amber special? Yes, Amber is special. Okay. That is the reason. I go for an andradite. Here. This is not special, right? Yes. Okay. So the others. Here 0 out of 10. Oh, 0 out of 1. I mean, it's working for the size, but it's not working for the count. This we will check afterwards. Reach level 10, okay. Materials, 0 out of 4 and 0 out of 4, is that true? Nope, this should be 0 out of 7. Let's check this. Materials. Here I have hopper and hopper. That's why. Stick. We put stick here. No. Here. Basic materials here. Okay, now it's at the right position. Here we go. Fish is 10.7. 10.7. Animals. Gotta run for tonight. Have a nice evening. You also 2XP. Thanks for being here. Take care. 5.10. 5.10. 10.7. 10.7. 2.2. I mean, it's hard to check, but 2 and 2. So now I repair all. But the function is still not working. This I have to check now. For some reason, it's not calling this function here. I'll check it now. Print. Not special. And that doesn't matter. Just like not special. Not special too. This is special. So save. Here we will check now if we call this function. If not, we have to check it afterwards. But wait. I didn't write the function yet, why it should go up. Here we will say item achievement, breeding achievement, upgrade achievement, collection achievement. here we say equals this one. And then we check if the size is this one. So now it should work. Load, delete, new game, start. 1 out of 10. Zero out of 10. Zero out of 10. It's ready to attack. Why you do that? Thank you. $90 out of 1,000. Thank you, thank you. Wait. Thank you for your sub. Thank you very much. Geminem. Welcome, welcome. No, thank you for inspiring me. You're welcome for that. I'm really happy to inspire people. So you're also doing game dev? And what kind of game are you doing? I was lazying out these last few days and I got worked up seeing your progress. Nice. That makes me really happy that I can make people, inspire people to make their own stuff. Just 3D assets. It's not just. I didn't even know how to do 3D. Models. So what kind of? Like, what kind of 3D assets you doing? Characters, nice. You're doing them for a game you're working on or for like open market? Started just last year. Ah, beginner. Oh, nice. If you like, you could also post your progress. I have a Discord group. And I mean, it's a small one at the moment, but you are always welcome to post your progress here if you want. There's an art and design channel, and I would really like to see your progress also. It would be nice. Always interested in the art and stuff that people doing. Sure, we'll check it out. You're also welcome there. Everyone who likes to share the art is always welcome. Even just for lurking. So, where did I stop? Here. This wasn't working. Doesn't count this and this. The reason for this is what could be the reason? Here we go. Special 2, not special 2. We run to not special, so we call this function here and then add collection to achievement. Say for achievement goal in world.getNode achievement dictionary. Okay, and I'll print this here. Print testing if this function works. And then we go to collection achievement here. And we say that this function works, add collection if, and then we say works in collection dictionary size. At least it should come until here. But it doesn't for some reason. Did I call it true? Collection? Collection. Yes, this seems to be alright. Oh. No, delete, back, new game, start. So until where we come, this function, testing if this function works, at collection if, twice comes to the point, testing if this function works at collection. Thank you for following, thank you very much, fish at cat. Fish hate cats. Welcome. Hello. Welcome, welcome. So it comes two times to this point. So here it's still 0. Can you make me a game? Can I make you a game? What kind of game you want to do? Hello, Koreani. Okay, this bug I also have to fix, but this is not that hard. RPG, but you're a cat. But your name says you hate cats. Use magic to fight dogs. I mean, actually, I saw yesterday I saw a video. There was a game jam where they show a few games, and there was some games where you are playing a cat. No, I love cats. Oh, your name is Fish 8 Cat. Or Fish 8 Cat? Fish 8 Cat. Oh, I think I understand. I love cats. Okay. Fish 8 Cats. Okay. Yeah, there are actually some cat RPGs. I mean, at the moment I'm busy with my own RPG, but it's not with a cat character. Right, cat. I saw last time one where you are playing a cat in an RPG. In itch.io there are a lot where you are playing a cat. Not that much, but some. I do not know which one was the one which I saw. Can you add a cat? Just play cat quest. Can you add a cat? Yeah, for sure. I would like to do also that the people can have different type of animals if they would like. But I do not implement them yet because right now I still do the functionality and later on I will go with the content. So I'll expand like the plant types, animals as a hidden player. You mean like as a hidden NPC? This could be funny too. But I'm not sure if that is too similar to the one thing in Stardew Valley. There's like a hidden NPC which is, I think, a raccoon. So I think it would be too near. I would prefer that the player would be also able to have a cat which is following them. Right now I have a dog. But I will also add like street cats and street dogs maybe to this world. So that maybe you could also adopt them. BRB. Okay. I have an emote for this. I think I got creative burnout. Oh. I mean, yes. Hello, Abo. Hello. How you doing? And that could happen that when you work too much at creativity with using your creativity, so try to do something, or just try to relax at some point, to just make a break from every creativity work and just come back when you feel you have the energy for it. Or do some, like, if you cannot do anything, I mean, if you cannot do nothing, then you should go for do some logical stuff where you just have to thinking and don't need to use your creativity. The thing I would do is writing scripts. I'm fine. How are you doing? Today I'm doing well. The progress is a bit faster today, but I'm still stuck at the first thing on my list. But it's okay. I feel energy, but I have no ideas. It could help. I mean, it's up to what you want to do. If you want to do music, then you should, for inspiration, just listen to some musics which is new to you or is in another genre what you for usual not hear, what you for usual not listen. Let's say Mio. I'll not say Mio, but now I did say it twice. Or when you want to draw something, then just watching some art from other people. will probably bring you to some inspiration for your own ideas when you're watching at stuff what you've usually not watching in your normal life. That's how I got inspiration for new logos. When you create logos almost every day, then you lose the ideas also. Yes, sometimes I have to create logos. And when you already create like 10, 20, 30 different logos, then you lose the ideas. And then I start to watching at art pictures, at logos from companies, from sport teams, from cars, from everything, to just like reset my creativity and got inspiration from things what I usually not watching. And out of this knowledge I start to create my own thing and hopefully make the customer have a nice logo which they want to use. Oh, I think I know why it's 0. The function here. It just checked for collection and it said this one, but it does that in a loop. That means it was stuck at the point where this got sent the last time and it's 0 in the last one. So I have to check beforehand if achievement type is collection and then I check only for the size. Global data. It's here amount check. Okay. This works, but this one is not working yet. Here I would like to also send the current slot data. But why don't send it to this function? Achievement data. I have this. Then I go to global data and I call all of this in collection menu. Here. And I'll delete just the prints here. And you helped my yesterday. Thank you so much. I helped you. How do I help you yesterday? And you're always welcome. So. Save. I want also send the item slot data through this script here, through this function. So I say this one. I'm copying this. So this is a special now. This is special. too many. Yes, okay. And this is special. This is basic, and why it's okay. This is basic, and this is also basic. Ah, yes. Okay, that makes sense. If special is true, then this and this. And here also special. Is if special is true. If not child, so I have to check for special here. Else collected special dictionary. I'm a bit confused right now. You showed me how flip the gravity when I'll press E. Yes. Ah, yes. It worked for you. Nice. What kind of game do you do? Something like Geometry Dash? Okay, if special is yes, then special, special, else. Okay, now I get it. If special is true, then special, else this one, and if special is not true, here we will send. I'm working on it now. Yeah, nice. Do you also do your graphics by yourself, or did you use assets? So global data, we're searching this one now, and say here item data as slot data. And now we will also send this slot data through this script, but we don't need to check anything anymore. We just have to send it through here. As item data. I'll make the art by myself. Nice. I would like to see your progress also. If you have Discord, you can join the Discord group. And there you also can always share your art if you want. I would really like to see it also. So, okay, I'll make Discord. I'll send my progress to you. Nice. So here I send item data through. So here in achievement data, I have to add item data here also as slot data. So we are able to check the item data here, and then we say if item data dot I was thinking about to checking for special or not special. Yes, this will work. So if item data dot item type equals achievement item goal dot item type and item data dot item type item data dot special and equals achievement item goal dot special. Then we will do this one, delete this one and this one, before I'll have 1 million prints. So now I checked before if the item type and the achievement item goal item type is matching. I also don't have to check for the clam Pearl struggle, which I have in the collection book, as I sent over the item data, which will got checked. So if I have Pearl here, for example, as the item type, then here I already stored Pearl and not clam. So it's matching and it will going through. And when I did everything true now, we will see a progress of 1 for at least the fruit basic item achievement, as we in the moment when we pick up the apples. So let's see. Delete, back, new, 1, start, 2. So collect 1 out of 10. Zero out of 10. Print item name. Why it's not working? We will go to achievement data, item achievement, collection achievement, And we will check if we go through this if. Start. Load, delete, back, new, start. So let's see. Yes, it gets through this one. But just one time. I mean, it worked. Should work just one time. But it's showing 0. I will print this one for now. To check. So let's see. It's 1. Okay. It's 1. But for some reason it doesn't set this to 1. And it's doing this with which item? Item data dot item name. So we can figure out if the size is got printed from the apple or if it's got printed from another item I'm collecting, because I'm collecting also the pickaxe and I'm also collecting the fishing rod. Load, delete, back, new game, start. And it is the apple. Achievement count. Yeah, that's why it's not working. I set the wrong number. No, it should work. What are you doing now? Right now I have a little bug which I just fixed in this moment, where I try to add a function to store the progress of the player achievements. And this one is for, I have different type of achievements in this game. And for every type I add a function. So when later on I will add another function achievements. Right now it's 91, but maybe later I'll add more. And that it will be scalable. That's why I'm writing the code this way, that it will be, I just need to add another achievement and then all the functionality will work for all. And right now I'm doing this for these collections. You will got achievements when you have a full collection. And for some reason it didn't count the 1 out of 10 before. Thank you, Koreani. Thank you very much. Even thought it looks a bit empty and not happy with this yellow yet. And when you reach an achievement, the achievement will start to be yellow, green. But for some reason it's not working here at the moment. I think this is don't match to the toolbar. Yeah, maybe I go for this brown tone for the backgrounds. For the backgrounds here. But right now I didn't choose it. This yellow color was just random. And this collection book actually looks like a book which you open up. That's why you have this buttons as like notes, like sticky notes. Not sure if you know from some notebooks, old notebooks, they always have this for find the page fast. And this was the idea behind this design. But I want to change the yellow. It's too bright. It's not matching for UI like this. Yes, it counts the 1 out of 10, but for some reason I have another problem right now. I already have a pickaxe and I already has a fishing rod, but it's not showing in green here. Mining for what? UI. Inventory interface. Nope. Collection menu. This one. Here we need the achievement dictionary, size 91. Which one I was searching? Almost the last one. Fishy hobby. Fishy hobby is false. It's a pickup achievement. And why the current achievement count is 0? Yeah. delete this one for now and this one. And I will check pick up this function. If pick up item dot item type equals achievement item goal dot item type, or pick up item dot item name equals achievement item goal dot item name. If achievement item goal equals and achievement status is false, I don't need to check this here again, and I checked it already before. And here I should set it to true. Print testing class string picked up item dot item name. To check this one. Load, delete, back, new, start. How did you not tired of coding every day? That is a good question, but I would say I have a lot of fun with that. So I think this is my motivation. I think this I have the same fun with coding like I would have with playing video games. So I think for me it's impossible to get tired of this. So you are working and then coding. Actually I'm working for 8 hours every day. Then I have like 2 or 3 hours free time. And then I'm sitting here to do 4 hours coding and game dev stuff. Sometimes I'm also drawing here. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't get any pickup print here. So where does it not work? Did it call this one in general? Testing call general. Too much brain work. You are wild. I wouldn't say that. Because most of the time I'm doing creative work. So this is more like I wouldn't say that game dev, the coding part, is a creative work. So it's actually the opposite of that what I'm doing in work. I mean, what I would say is it's by far too much screen time. I have too much computer time per day. What? This one. Achievement type, and here I got wait, this is already the global data, but where do I send it here? I send pick up with small letters. Yes, your computer must have a vacation. My computer has vacation on weekends. For at least 18 hours per day. So I think it's fine. It's enough. Computers are born to work, not born to have vacation. Poor computer. Actually, my computer right now feels colder than the room temperature here. Hello, welcome. How are you doing today? Writing paper. Boring day. Don't worry, you can... Tomorrow your holiday is over. So it will not be boring anymore. Computer drinking cocktails on Miami Beach. So you do something wrong because you're supposed to be drinking cocktails on Miami Beach and your computer should do the work. Make it... Maybe your computer tricks you. Never been to Miami. Me neither. Tomorrow I'll be busy till 9 PM. Life is hard. Till 9 PM. Me also, but until 10 or 11 PM. Where you go? So, pick up in small letters. Here's also everything small. I just thought I've already found the mistake. So we need to climb down the whole ladder here. But first I'll test this too. Maybe this is already enough. Start. The only bright thing tomorrow is that I can show my lecturer logos. That's a good thing. But do you know, when I was studying, the teachers believed in never give compliments will teach you to improve yourself. So whenever you are showing your work to the lecturer, they will always tell you critiques. They will never say like, this is good, this part is good of your logo, this is good. They always say what is bad of your work. I mean, maybe it's a good way to learn something, but it's also maybe some people cannot learn with that because they need the compliments. For me it was fine, but I think, yes, it's very negative, but I think I've learned a lot. I mean, when I'm creating logos now for customers, 99% of them always happy. I've just shown you. Wait, you show me your logos? Only negative? That's a legit logo. The font is good chosen. I was just asking you, I would like to ask you for which type of company is this logo? A disco? I made 4 or 5 versions for esport teams. Okay, for esport teams I could understand this slower. Then it makes sense. It's and how you create the curves? Did you calculate this with something? Or did you create them with your just without circles? Because some of the middle one, which you use for the neck, seems like that the line on the bottom side is not made out of a circle like the other ones. This seems very straight on this side. Pen tool. Oh, the pen tool. Did you work with Illustrator? I would like to ask you if you use... I will show you something. Just very quickly. That's how I learned from you. Nice. Did you use this function? Actually, in your case, I would create the logos always with circles. So you have this, for example. But I hope you use this one, so you already have these shapes. You use this? Yes, that one. Okay. So you have these shapes. But what would be also a nice way to do, which will make you have rounder stripes, is you add 2 circles. Wait. And but maybe they are too round. Let me check your logo again. Yeah, but maybe this would be too round. Maybe this way is better. This is also okay. I don't know this font you're using. I mean, you used a very good font for... If this is for Teams. Oh, you use it in German. Yes, I use it in German. Because I learned it in German. This is too big. The font you was using before, it's for this logo. It looks good. It's matching to the esport type. FS Magistra. Is this font license free? Or do you have the license? Oh, it's an Adobe font. If you want an object, his gravity to be switched when I switch the gravity of the player, what should I do? I'll come back to you. Adobe, but I kinda don't like the system in Illustrator. Which system you don't like in Illustrator? To your question, if you want an object's gravity to be switched when I switch the gravity of the player, what should I do? Abo, there are several ways to do so. Wait, I can show you with the test game again. And we will add another object. Plus, I think you use static bodies. I don't know the layout, it's different from PTS and I'm more familiar with PTS. But you know that you can switch it here. Here you can switch your layouts. And when I open up my Photoshop, it looks very similar to this. I do not know how you set up your Photoshop, but you can set everything. You can change the whole layout as you like to do. I mean, I don't want to change anything of this one because I like this layout. Can work with this very good. I mean, I can work with I work on different computers. Then you have to get used to everything. So to Abo, I'll just create another, like a static body here. And we need a script. We will call this one object. We will add a collision shape. We will add a sprite 2D. And this is sprite 2D. We will also use the normal icon SVG here, but we say that we know which one is the player and which one is not. Visibility, self-modulate, we will just make it black, for example. So it looks like this. Can you draw by hand? Prefers using Procreate on her iPad. Yes, I have a drawing pad here to draw by hand. But I think in the most cases it doesn't make sense to draw with a pad on Illustrator. It's better for like pixel graphics. I mean, sometimes I'm using it when I have to illustrate. Last time I have to illustrate a hand, like a dragon-like hand. Then I prefer to use the tablet as I'm left-handed, and drawing with the right hand as left-handed is a bit annoying because I use the mouse with the right hand. So I jump over to the drawing pad which is a bit easier for illustrations, but for logo creations I will always use the mouse. It's faster. So object, add child, not add child node, add GDScript. Oh, but it shouldn't be static body. Wait. Delete. Change type. It will be, in your case, it has to be a rigid body, because rigid bodies are affected by physics. Object. And you just have to copy this part to your object. Is velocity y plus equals gravity and then delta. Oh, this object doesn't have velocity. Applied to the body. The body's gravity is calculated from the default gravity on any additional gravity vector applied by area to these. So we have to do it in a different way. That when you change it for the player, you shouldn't change this one. You should change this project settings, which is a bit more complicated. Gravity 2D default gravity. Copy property path. So here, this one we'll delete from the player. And the only thing what you have to do is this one. Velocity dot y plus equals gravity delta. You need this one. Gravity. You add this one to the player, and here you say this, 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 and this. But here you have to say set. I think set, right? Gravity. Oh, it is only read when the projects are to change the default gravity at runtime. Use the following code sample. This one. And this one will be object, scene, save. Extends rigid body 2D, save. We don't need to set anything here at the moment. And for character body, this is fine. So we go to the world and add this one, object to the world. Start. Oh, the object doesn't has collisions. Start. So now you have collisions. We change the gravity. Wait, why it's always 980? I said something wrong. If it's 980, we will set it to minus 980. If this one and if this one this and this start. If I want an object, its elements for area get parameters expected of at most 2 but received 3. Area parameter physics server 2D equals okay, it's not switching it for some reason. Somehow I can't set it. It's working once. Switch gravity. Finally, I have an idea. Yeah, what's your idea now? Abo, as you can see, it's working at least for the physics. So for some reason the player is not following the physics. It's not working. It's okay. I can search and ask ChatGPT. Problem about ChatGPT is that the most time when you get something that will probably not working. But maybe because ChatGPT is outdated. ChatGPT has knowledge. just enter 2021. So it will be Godot 3.5. Better is you go to the Discord group and ask there. You'll get a faster and better response there. But this is how you should do it. You should work with the setting gravity. Abo. Start. Not my style, but maybe anime opening soundtrack. Oh, nice. Well, it's also good to go directions which you normally you will not do. So try it. Maybe it will be your style afterwards. Those 3 and 4 have not too much difference. Oh, yeah, content-wise not, but the coding language is switching at some points. And if you don't learn GDScript yet, you will not know how to rewrite the code from 3.5 to 4, as you are using different wordings for some functions. That's a problem, which I was facing a lot of times when I was searching for solutions. And if you saw a solution for your problem and the video was from 3 or 4 years ago, then you can't use it. The Walkies game won GMTK Game Jam last year. So fun. The Walkies GMTK K 2023 HIO. The winners. This one? Wir It's funny that you're actually the dog. Why I can't rage? I want rage. I have to get this from this interacting with the... I can't interact twice with something. This is so weird. It's a funny idea. Oh, I need to interact with people and raging. Reverse roll seam. Oh, I would like this. It sounds like a really nice one. I'll be right back. This is very fun. Creative as fuck, yes. Creative as... So, keep going. It's not working for this one, so we check. Testing call general, okay. Testing call achievement type stone. stone. Fishing rod. So it comes under here with fishing rod. After name and type check. After item and status check. If current achievement count plus pickup amount is smaller or equals to achievement count goal, then I'll do this. I'm just back. I hear that hard K. No, I think you heard wrong. There wasn't. Sometimes your ears trick you with that what you hear, that they just give you the information you want to hear and not that what was actually spoken. Testing call achievement type. Why achievement type? Testing after. Testing after. Calculation is bigger than achievement goal. And also else if achievement goal. Okay. Smaller. And current achievement count equals to current achievement count goal. Testing achievement count equals count goal. Stop, start. Let's check how far the item goes down the ladder of if questions. Load, delete, new game, start. Oh. Breakpoint, stop, start again. So let's go new game. Start. So Apple, okay. I don't want to know Apple. I need to get fishing rod. Fishing rod. here. After name and type check, after item status check. Testing after calculation is bigger than achievement. So is the pickup amount maybe 0? It's bigger than achievement goal because this doesn't got called. Pick up. Pickaxe. Fishing rod. 0, 0, 1, 1. This is also true. Fishing rod and pickaxe slot resource. But I feel like current achievement count is achievement count goal. Okay. Is bigger than? Yes, I got this one. Current achievement count plus equals pickup amount. Print pick up amount. Print current achievement count here and print achievement status. Because I feel like stop. I'll just stop with the return here. Add this one here. Save, start, and check again. So let's go, load, delete, back, new, one, start. Fishing rod. So is bigger than. Now I'm confused. Oh, no, I'm not. I just 5049. Oh, this is Apple. 1, 0. Pickup amount is 1. Achievement count is 0. I see you made progress. Hello, Laximillion. Hello, Laximillion. Yes, I do progress. Tracing the next bugs. Or maybe better called not good written code, which I have to correct a bit. How are you doing? One zero false. Achievement status is false because the current achievement count is 0 for some reason. Is bigger than. So we landed here. Set the current achievement count to plus equals this number. So it actually should count plus 0, plus 1. What's your name? Or should people call you gross devlog? Right now the people still call me gross, but if you know my real name, you can also call me by my real name. Just some people know it at the moment because sometimes I was not able to hide it. I'm cool, thank you. That is good. Testing call general. 10 false. And the good thing is it's going until here. The bad thing is it just, for some reason it's not doing this one. Current achievement count. Check this one. So load, delete, new game, start. So now we go up to fishing rod. It's still yellow. Because it's still 10 false. So it's not because the way I calculate this together. It has another background. I will also print here the achievement name to check which one I actually get until this point with the count. And why it's setting it not to 1? But it's doing this for apples. Fishy hobby. And this is actually true. This is this one which I want to change. But for some reason, there's also no progress. Hello, I'm new here. Here? I think you are not new here. But welcome. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Why Fishy Hobby doesn't has a counter? Teach me how to be fluent in language without learning. I didn't have this skill also, so I can't tell you. The only fluent language I speak is German, and my English sounds like school English. Without learning, I think there's no way. Did you try learning yet? I'm struggling learning it. I mean, learning languages is very hard for me. It's really very hard. Current achievement count? Not that hard for English. I mean, English I was learning when I was start learning when I was a kid. I think this is the biggest difference. I think when you start learning a language when you are older, it will make it much harder. Or when your motivation is not at the level where it should be for learning a new language. Oh, another language I speak is GDScript. Forgot about that. Fair enough, I know the reason. What reason? Don't tell anybody that I hate the language here. Okay, I'll not tell anything. I'll keep it as a secret. The other people who are watching, they will also keep it in secret. No one will ever know that you hate the language there. Print testing achievement, print current achievement count. Nope, I set the right count. Saw something on TikTok. What you saw on TikTok? About anti-foreigners protest in Germany. Yeah, I saw that too. That are the Sylt people, which I really, I mean, I really don't like them. That are the, you know, Sylt is an island in Germany where the rich people fly with their private jet to live their stupid rich people life as a... There are very stupid people there. And they do like a party, right? You saw a party video where they're dancing and say anti-foreigner stupid stuff there. And that got viral in social media. I mean, the good thing is the people who was doing this, he already has to go to court for that, which I think is right. So you shouldn't sing something from that stupid time of history at a party. But there are also demonstrations now against this type of people. And you know, the demonstration against these people's always bigger than the people. Don't worry, I hate them, but I love you. Everyone hates them. I'm just worrying for my girlfriend. I mean, you don't have to worry. I saw an anti-Nazi demonstration last time in Germany, and they are always much bigger than the Nazi demonstration in Germany. Because no one liked them. And you should know the more stupid the people are, so bigger their mouths. That's a problem, that they got more attention in social media is because just stupid people are talking. Like the people who was like anti-vaccine in Germany for the COVID stuff, and I mean there was a lot of very strange stuff going on there, and that are always the same people. They just screaming out loud, and that's why they are always in the news and everyone will listen to them. And the people who not say anything and actually have a better mind, a clean mind, they'll just be quiet. So I think you don't have to worry. There are a lot of open-minded people in Germany who are not racist. It is always the small percent. One more question. Okay. Thank you for following in YouTube. Thank you very much. Just one more, then it's 240 already. Yes, see? Why so many people hate Berlin? Looks a lot like my place. I think the thing is that Berlin people hate Berlin. And I mean, I would never, if I would live in Germany, I would never move to Berlin also. It's not the type of city I would like to live there, but there are also many people wants to live there. Maybe the most people outside of Berlin in Germany, they don't like Berlin because the Berlin people always thinking like they are like they are on their own. Berlin has modern arts on street. The whole country has modern arts on street in Germany. As if you mean like graffitis. If yes, then the whole country is full of that. So, have to finish this one. Dude, I hate graffiti. Why do you hate it? I mean, I only hate it when it's on private properties. But at least there are very nice looking ones. Which I think they are okay. Makes the street here ugly. Yeah, I mean, it's up to... Yeah, the most of them looks very ugly, but... when it's like real art and looks good, then it looks nice. I mean, like trash cans and other... Yeah, there... I mean, when it's just the writing... like trash cans and other... and... Wait. Modern Art Berlin. The only things when I think about Berlin is you cannot find a parking place. And if you find one, will be overpriced. Trash cans. When I searching for trash cans in German Berlin, they looks like normal ones. Maybe I found the wrong one. I'll be right back. Oh, I can't find this one. Okay. But maybe I know what you means. There has like modern arts around the city, at least at the touristic part, to make the streets looks a bit more attractive for tourists. But it's actually just for the tourist parts, as in the most cities. So 0 fishy falls, fishy fish. I mean, it prints the 0 from here, but it doesn't set it to 1. This doesn't make sense. As it's doing it very well for the apples. Pickaxe, here, apple. I mean, the apple actually counts. But this one, for some reason, not. What if I doing this? Then I should have at least one apple inside and hopefully one start. This is working. Collect the total amount of... Why, it's 2 now. And this is working now. So pickup amount seems to be 0. So let's see where I sent this over. And it's here. And here I sent picked up the amount. And the amount I sent here, 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 here or here. And it's always slot data quantity. And when I go to resource tables and I check for the items, this one, and I'm checking. Can I searching here also somewhere? Nope. So I need fishing rod, stackable off, available level 10, tool, and quantity is 1. I'm saving my stomach for Asian food next month. Nice. Next month already. When exactly? The start of July or the end? Mid-July. Is it not high season? I think the high season starts there. Why you go to the high season? Oh wait. No, I think... No, the high season... I mean, at least here, the high season starts around May and ends around... No, starts around May, yes, and ends around... What is that season? When hotel and flight prices are at the peak. Because the most people do vacation at these times. So for example, when I do vacation in this house, sometimes I can get a hotel room for a month for around 250 euros. And if it's high season, I would get the same room for like 400 euros. I think September, like start of the new semester. The high season is always connected to the destination countries. So here, for example, it's May until November. December is the high season. So when you book a vacation in January, it's much cheaper than when you book a vacation in like July, August, September. So that's why the most time I always do vacations in the low season. You have less other tourists, and the hotels have a better price. And you also support the hotels in the season when they would not have customers. But as you visit your family, I think it doesn't affect you that much, only for the flight price. I think you don't have to book a hotel, right? Don't have time for that this time. Okay. Yep. Yeah, but your flight price is very expensive. I ever talked with someone, he ever told me that he ever always booked the flights for other people. And when you book a flight to... I'm not sure if it landing before in Bangkok and then to Singapore, but when you book a flight to Singapore first and you want to go to Bangkok, then it is much cheaper. I mean, it's just working for one ways. It is much cheaper to book a flight to Singapore than directly to Bangkok. For example, the flight to Singapore will cost you like 800 euros. But when you book it directly to Bangkok, it will cost you 1000 euros. So you will book to Singapore for 800 euros, but you will not go to the flight, which you have booked from Bangkok to Singapore, when you flight with two machines. Sometimes it's cheaper to check out the other countries. Yeah, I know that, but it's tiring. And I think it's also maybe some airlines didn't allow that. But I'm not sure about that, if they can even didn't allow that. Maybe in some countries it's also illegal when you don't have a visa. A proper visa, because for some tourist visas you also need a flight back. Or at least a bus ticket out of the country. But I've never done that. I always just book my flights, go and back, and it's much easier. So you don't have to worry about the flight back. And when you go and back in the same time, you will be cheaper at the end, I think. Just worth it when you know you just do one way. Why for fishing rod it is empty? Where's fishing item type? Tool. 7. Yes, round trip always cheaper. Yes. Pickaxe fishing rod. Why it's not working? I don't get it, as it works for... I know why it's not working. Because we start at -1. The reason why we start at -1 is that we drop 3 items at the start of the game, because I'm cheating them. The fishing rod and everything else. That's why apples also always be like my 49 rather than -50. Rather than 50, even I collect 50. So when I start the game and I collect this item, save it, go back to menu, load the game again. Now I should have 0 pickaxe and 0 fishing rods. But when I collect them again, yes, it's still not working because I go from 0 to -1, then to 0, and then to -1. Right now I'm at 0 again. Somehow I have to make it a bit different with cheating. I think I'll add them just to the building menu to buy them there. That is what I'm gonna doing now. Building menu trace 1. And we will add what? Because I create new ones. Okay, I'll be right back in a second. Okay, right back. World. Where's world? World. Here. I will sheet the items in a different way. But this will always cause that it will decrease the items from. So I will do like this one. World item TSCN. We will add it here. And then we say slot data is fishing rod. Here. And we duplicate this one. We say this one is apple. This. Save, start the game. Load this, start. Current toolbar slot base null instance. What? Invalid get index current toolbar slot. Never mind, I'll do it in a different way. We will not cheat the items this way. I think it's a lot easier to just buy them. Building. Where's new game? Paco. Inventory data dot new. And world. Where's loading? here. Here I resize it, but I will always also say items 1 dot slot datas 0 equals dot duplicate. Then I say now I do apples and now fishing rod. Save. Stop, start. I mean, right now it's working kind of. But it's doing it for both because the function is checking for item type or item name. That I've done because I have functions which checks for example, collect 100,000 fruits, and that doesn't matter if these fruits are from like raspberries, apples. It just matters they are fruits. So therefore I check only for item type. So I need another if statement actually here. And I'm thinking about if I'm doing this before. I mean, this one will always stay. Doesn't matter. This will be called every time on this level. So here I have to check first nope. I think it's enough when I do this here, this level. Else if current achievement count, if current pick up item equals equal dot item type equals tool. Tool. Yeah. Oh, this are the... Nope, these are not the quests. Where are the tools? ST. Oh. I have more items. It's a big T. For some reason. So I have to check for tool. And if that is the case... And if it's tool and achievement item goal dot item, then we will count this one. Pick up item, item name equals achievement item goal dot item name. Pick up item is not. I'm right back. Right back. So let's check if that is working now. When I buy a fishing rod, it should not increase the amount of pickaxe. Load, delete, new game, start. Nothing here. Shop. Wait. I think I found out the bug. Yes, it's working just for the fishing rod. This is fine. But the other bug is not fine. So we will check the when I click F. Toggle achievements emit. Building menu. This seems to be wrong. But the only thing we need to call in this function is this one. So load, delete, back, new, start. The problem right now is this, have this, find. And it is here, toggle achievements. Maybe I shouldn't connect it. Oh, I wrote it wrong everywhere here. I should not connect it here. So what will happen? What the worst case? Any traveling plan yet? The only traveling plan I have is in next year in January I will fly to Germany for 1 to 2 weeks. Actually 2 weeks. To visit my family. That's our plan right now. This shouldn't happen. The coldest time. Yeah, it's because my mom's birthday. That's actually fine. You know, we have warm weather here every day, the whole year. It's fine to also experience a bit of cold weather. So if it's not up to this one, I'll set this to closed before the tween. Can't be closed twice, hopefully. So, load, delete, back, new, start. Last one then got down to 20 degrees. Minus 20 degrees. That's nothing. Just a degree difference from like 60 degrees, but it's fine. I come with flip-flops and or Crocs and short pants. Easy. No, I think I have to buy winter clothes. I don't have anything. I'm wondering why this is still called somehow. When I close or open the building menu, when I close or open the collection book, I press F. What do you like more? Which weather here? The weather here or the weather in Poland? Now the bug can't happen anymore. But this is a bit annoying. So this collection book, this one, I will set Now the fishing rod is not on top anymore. Open up the inventory, it's also not there anymore. We'll buy a few. Yes, everything what I want to do today is working. Even I wanted also to integrate the last function here, breeding. But as it's already late today and I have to wake up early tomorrow to work, I will go offline for today. I'm really thankful for everyone who was joining and really appreciate the bits and also the subscription. Thank you very much. I hopefully see you tomorrow again. And I wish you have a great night or evening or a really wonderful day. See you tomorrow again.